Do you agree with like defensibility on day one doesn't really exist?
Real defensibility, no, it does not exist. Like there are a few apps. I mean, like I'm just trying to think of a good example. Like Figma might be one, or like Zenly, the Snapchat app.
Yeah.
Things where it's like really beautifully crafted, really high end engineering, and really hard to copy. Those sort of products, when you see them first, you're like, it's going to take a long time to get to where these people are today. And like the way I describe that in like startup is I describe the length of the road to the starting line. And if you say you want to compete with Figma, I'd say, Jesus, Perry, that is a long road to the starting line, which basically means...
They were like 3 years in the dark. No offense, VCs had almost written them off because they were like, what are these guys doing?
Yeah.
Like...
Absolutely. So I think like day one defensibility is rare, but every now and then some company does emerge with something that you're like, wow, if you want to copy that, you'll be a long time working on that. And it might be like a year and a half, or in Figma's case, as you said, like 2+ years. Like let's say Adobe probably saw Figma and they're probably smart enough to go, wow, this is a threat to one of our big cash cows. And if they dispatched a team of their brightest, which I'm not saying they did or didn't, and they went at it full time, in 2 years' time, they'd have to hope that Figma somehow froze to give them that much time to catch up. And Figma ain't freezing. Dylan's too smart a guy to like not make monster progress.